about you? What about me? Masalayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Ang pag-ibig ko'y tunay, walang alinlangan. Sir Dwayne, good evening. Good morning, Sir Dwayne. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good evening to here in the Philippines. Hello, Jollibee. Hey, Mr. Attitude. Hi. How are you this evening? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm in love. I'm in love with my mic. Thank you, Mr. Attitude. I forgot, Mr. Attitude. Hey, Jollibee. Sir Dre, Kuya Dre, it's you. Jollibee. It's okay. It's okay. It's you, Kuya Dre. Kuya Dre calling me Jollibee. Opo, it's me. You changed your channel name? Why? What happened? Thank you sa likes. Masalayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Thank you so much for watching. 5 people. Thank you so much. Sa bintana. Someone gave me the name and I like it. Because Mr. Attitude, huh? Mystic Mirage. Hi, Mystic Mirage. How are you? Marlon Panganiban. Hello. Hey, Marlon. Just doing amazing. Okay. Thank you for those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Wolf. Hi, Wolf. Wolf. I think Wolf. Sir, are you Wolf? Are you from Surfred Live? I think. Wolf. Something like that. Are you from Surfred Live? How are you doing today? I'm fine. Okay. Sorry. Now I know. Masalayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Pag-ibig kang tunay. Thank you so much for watching. 13 people. Oh my god. Different here. What a beautiful woman. Hey, Victor. Thank you, Victor. Victor. We are too hot in UK. What can we do? Maybe you need to have an aircon, so that's why it it helps you to list the something like that. No, no fit. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. I want you to schedule collab lang. Huh? Collab? Give you like much happiness to you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thanks a lot. Just just get 200 likes. You guys have a good day. Thank you, Wolf, Jacob. Masulayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Wolf Taker from Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God. Excuse me. Masilayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Habla. What it means, habla? Speaks. Oh, it speaks. Hello, hola. Hello. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for likes. Thank you so much. Masalayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Oh my God. I don't like entertaining. Hello, dark hair girl. Hey, Marco. I'm not Indian. Oh my God. I'm Filipina. I'm not an Indian. Oh my God. I look like an Indian. I'm Filipina. Krut krut. I am Mexicana. Okay. I'm not an Indian. Hey, Daniel Bissett. What is it? Ako number to chat on. Not telephone number. No. Thank God I'm still correct. Huh? What is that? Means. Oh my God. Oh my God. Masalain. Tutulog na ka, tama na yun. Ako na yung cellphone mo, kay charge ko. Ako na. Ako na, kuya. Huh? Yes, Sir James. Hello, Sir James. Hey, young lady. I like your watch fancy. Yes. My fiancé give us the watch. Thank you, Sir James. My hubby give me this watch. Hi, Dennis. Masalayan ka lang doon sa bintana. Happy gagawin mo pa. Greetings from Germany. Hey, from Germany. Thank you. Sir John! Oh my God! Thank you, Sir John! Thank you for joining! Hello, my friend! Sir John! How are you? Long time no here. Long time no see here. How are you, Sir John? Nasalayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Thank you. Very well, thanks. Very well, thanks. Thank you for joining, Sir John. Mark Douglas. Oh my God. Sir Mark. Very long time no here. Please subscribe and double tap, guys. Thank you, Sir James. Thank you so much. J. Louise. How are the wedding plans going? The wedding extend next year because my father died on June 7. I've been watching World Cup, lots of early rises. Ah, okay, that's why. Okay po. Okay po, Sir John. Oh no. Yes, my father died on last month, June 7, so that's why they wouldn't extend next year. I'm so sorry. So what's new po? The new is... What's new? The new is... One. Nothing's new. Nothing's new, Sir John. It's still the same. Hi, Mark. You too. It's me, your Mexi. It's me, your Nexi. I hope your friends is doing well. Yes, he's doing so well. Okay, oh my God. Okay, oh my God. Sir John, oh my God, Sir John. Yes, I'm a Filipino. Sure, about 6 years. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Filipina ka, te. Filipina ako. Yes, I'm Filipina. Hello, darling. Sir James. Hi, Sir James. Where are you from, Sir Jen? Oh my god, so yummy! Mama! Baka dito sing kutsara niya. Look the, no. Yummy. Thank you, 25 people. Kuha ka sa pinggan. Kuha ka dito pinggan, dali. Guayabano. This is the miracle fruit, guayabano. That's antioxidants. So that's why. I'm good. I'm also good. Kasi that must be good the way you jump up. Oh my god, yes. Yes po. Thank you, Sir John. E. Why? Why E? You don't like Philippines? Philippines. Why you don't like Filipina? The Filipina. My condolences of the past of your father, Shell. I will pray for you. Thank you. Thank you, Sir James, for the prayer. You're a sweet woman. Oh, thank you, Dennis. Apa muna? Ha? Bye. Ha? What's up from the Philippines? What's up? What's up? Maslom? Hi, Sir David Payne. Thank you po. Thank you sa likes. Alright. Nakapikit. Coffee. Ito coffee. Oh my God. My God. Italy. You are beautiful. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Hey, shout out to you, beautiful from USA. Hi, regular from USA. Oh, hi, Elvis. What's your name, sweet? My name is Sheryl. Backside, good. Hello, I'm from Indonesia. Hi, son. Hello, I'm from Indonesia. Oh my god, my hubby messaged me. He messaged. Ah, coffee time. Yes, coffee time. Hurry. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Today's weather forecast calls for lots of milk. Huh? Uh, dun, 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 see, bird, challenging touching. I love you, miss you. stand insistent. I love you, my love. My heart. Girl, thank you for the likes. Coffee, yes, coffee. Your hair like. My hair like what? Today life, good day. You are beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I'm beautiful. Are you sure? Wow, your face super. My face. Oh my god. Close up face. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. That tweet becomes even more beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Ta- So sad Hey. Thank you so much, Sir Dwayne. And so, Mystic Mirage, Donor Danyas, Donor Dan, Mystic Mirage. Stefano, hello, good evening, Mystic from Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Sakit ay di alintana, masilayan ka lang dun sabi. Hello? Wait lang. Wait lang. Hi, Pulette. Sorry. So cute. Really? Who's cute? DG, Aaron, Omar, Half. Yes, Half. Hi, beautiful from USA, Ricky Darling. Hello, Ricky Darling from USA. Where are you in USA? Masilayang lambing sa bintana. Where are you in USA, Ricky Darling? Hello, Gorgeous. Good morning from Florida, my friend. Hi, Eric Hatcher. Eric Hatcher 573. It's a great country. Maybe it's a great USA. It's a great something like that. Where are you stayed in USA? So why are you so slim? I don't know. I'm so slim. Yeah, I'm too slim. Tiny. Maryland. Maryland. Thank you, my love. Gosh, you're so beautiful. Thank you. Watchman. USA is a very nice. Oh, yes, USA is a very nice, and American is like I meet a lot of people I meet in American is good. Most Mike is super good. Unicorn. What's going on? What's going on, Unicorn? Love ako, ubos po malaki. Ha? Luloy? Love ako, ubos. What? Good evening, Mike from Sir Dwayne. USA is a very big country, yes. A very big country. Hey, Sir Dwayne. Oh my God, your badge is a color yellow. Hey, Sir Dwayne, I see you're busy here. Damn trolls. Haha. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Ay, nako. Yeah, got a little busy, but we'll get home at one at a time. Thank you so much, Sir Dwayne. Nasilayan ka lang dun sa bintana. Where's your husband? My hubby is in America. He's living in America. Keep going. Yes, keep going, Scarpy. Danny Ganta, Sir Danny, hello. Thanks for making me standard moderator. No worries, thank you too for supporting me, Sir Danny. What's the yellow badge mean? Maybe the yellow badge mean you subscribe me in how many months, something like that. He's right here. This is your Jamaican DJ New York. Huh? Flowers. Amina, hello. Flowers, Amina. This is your Jamaican DJ New York. Hello. DJ. Pellets. Thank you, Pellets. So beautiful. Thank you, Sir DJ. Jose. Hello from New York. Oh my God, welcome to my... thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you for the badge. Hubby's husband, yes. Hubby is Swami. Hubby's husband. Magandang umaga po. Good morning. Good morning. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Theopop. Where are you from, Scorpy? I mean, your husband is right here in New York. You're Jamaican. Yes. Thank you, Pellets. Salamat po. Salamat din, Pellets. Thank you, Paulette. Salud. Salud. DJ Aaron Omar. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Do you have beautiful complexion? Really, thank you so much. Salamat po. Thank you po, Pulet. Where are you from, Pulet? Pulet. Saba. How is it going? It's going fine. You can like your membership available. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Like Caramel. Ah, my skin color is like coffee with coffee meat. Coffee with milk. Like caramel, something like that. Thank you guys. I'm from New York po. Ah, nice to meet you, Violet, from New York. Where's your jowa? My jowa is in Pennsylvania. My jowa is living in America, something like that. How is your work? My work is fine. You be single. I'm not single. I'm getting married pretty soon. Yeah, Rene's husband. Yeah. Who one is your Swami? Indonesian. Ah, okay. What? Pennsylvania? Is it okay? Yes. Yes, popular. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Oo. Ano, Pennsylvania, sana all. Maganda ba doon sa Pennsylvania, Violet? If you don't mind, because I don't know. Maganda ba doon? Well, he's a very lucky man to have a beautiful caramel lady. Me too. I'm lucky to having him because he's super good, super good, and handsome yummy. Good morning. Have a nice day. Thank you, DG General. General. Lonely Bee. Hello. Lola the Lonely Bee. The caramel. Oo. Maganda dun sa Pennsylvania. Maganda ba dun? Yung kulay ko, my skin color is one. I'm happy you're happy. Salamat. Thank you, Flo. You will like it here. Ah, talaga. My husband is my darling. Shuamiko sayang is husband, my darling. Ah, okay. Nasilayan ka lang dun sa rindahan. Hati ka rin. Suddenly na. Oh my God, suddenly stop talking. You're going to give your husband a sweet tooth. Something like that. Something like that, Violet. Yummy. And Neil Farmer. Where are you from, Neil? Mini beauties. So means mini beauties. Joke lang. Okay lang. It's fine. love your smile. Oh, thank you. Your husband is lurking. Better be respectful or the moderators will kick you out. Yesterday, my husband went to America. It's yesterday, my husband went to America. Okay, Marines, Wamiko, Turkey, America is yesterday. My husband went to America. Okay. Very well put, Mike. Thank you, Lulu. Thank you, my hubby. Thank you, my handsome, yummy hubby. I'm getting married now. Look. Have a good day. Nice visiting. Thank you, Piolet. Piolet, my Kwan, my future, my fiance, my jowa is here. I want to introduce you. His name is Mike. He's 96. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. You're beautiful, Scorpio. That's a shame. Why? That's a shame. Why a shame? Oh my god. I fell sleepy now. Few minutes. I need to go to sleep. Thank you for joining. Excuse me. Scorpio. Thank you, Scorpio. Yes, ako sinta como is I love you. Ah, okay. It means excuse me. Excuse. Masulayan ka lang. Hi, Kamal. Hi, Semal. 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 Masulayan ka lang. Hola, amor. Hola, amor. Hello, Semal. Where are you from? Turog na ba? Masalayan ka lang daw sa kantahan. Hi, Jean Marie Gaylord. Gaylord. Gaylord? Gaylord? Hello. Papa. Papa is how are you? Ah, okay. Masalayan ka dun sa bintana. Congratulations is salamat, huh? Salamat is salamat. Ah, okay. Salamat means here is also salamat. Congratulations is salamat. Ah, salamat is salamat. Oh my God. Hey, kids, do you have right now? How many kids do you have right now? One. Are you a single mom? No personal question here, people. This is not dating site. Thank you so much. I'm married. I'm getting married pretty soon, so I'm not single mother. No more single mother. Come to Bahrain. Why should I come to Bahrain? Oh my God, sorry. Congratulations, thank you, Zeg. Hello everyone, greetings from Spain. Thank you from Spain. Peter Bagking, you are Bisaya English. Bisaya ka o English? I am not Bisaya and I'm not an English. I'm Bicolana Filipina. I'm Bicolana Filipina. I'm not Bisaya. I'm not Bisaya. My girlfriend come to Bahrain. Okay. Hello, Robert Lawrence. Hi, Sir Robert Lawrence. Oh, greetings. Greetings. What it means? On absent Kizibin. What? Greetings and you Argentina world champion. World champion! Argentina? Moderator warning, no sexual comments, no requests will be time out or banned your channel. Ah, thank you, Sir Dwayne. My God, thank you so much, Sir Dwayne. You are very pretty. There are beautiful women in the Philippines. Lots of women in the Philippines. Must go to the Bisaya. From Cebu, lots of Filipina, beautiful Filipina going there. Maybe you need to find a looking Filipina, Cebuana, Bisaya looking there. There are lots of beautiful, oh my God, gorgeous. Come on, Missy. Oh, Missy, I'm sorry. For the football is like Cristiano Ronaldo, but I like Messi too. Okay, when we'll go to Bali, Indonesia, we'll go to Gimardens, Mardenasha. Can you show me your 16? No. One question: is there any Spanish still spoken in the Philippines? Some Spanish spoken here in the Philippines. Some, like "kumusta," Spanish word from a Spanish word. Who here is Arab? No one Arab here. No one. Go to sleep. Yes. I need to go to sleep. Some a few minutes. I need to end the live because I need to 4 minutes to go. Very good. Yeah. Yes, because lots of Spanish and something like history here in the Philippines. Fans Ronaldo. Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo. But I like also Messi. But my idol is Cristiano Ronaldo, something like that. And in schools, they teach you the Spanish language. Yeah, something like that. Before, it is called, it's a Spanish world, or no, language before. And los institutos on os enseñas el español. Hello, Zakia. Tingo, huh? I have heard that older people in the Philippines know how to speak Spanish, yes. Old people here, they know how to speak Spanish. Hello, Zakia. Marco, thanks a lot. Bye. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Okay, thank you, Scorpio, for joining. Thank you for your time. Stay here. Thanks a lot. Hello, how are you? Santa Rosa de Lima, my friend from Colombia. Thank you from Colombia. Peace be upon with you. Zakia. Thank you for your kindness and answers. Welcome, Lord and see. No worries. Gracias por tu humanidad y respuestas. As if so chunky po at yak Mika Stanley pupunta ka dito para galitin ako. Umepekto ba? Para sabihin ko sa'yo, hindi lang ikaw ang sumubok para magalit ako. Mika. Kung gawain mo yan, huwag ka na mag-aya. Mag-aya ka dyan sa malapit sa'yo. Bakit? Wala bang pumatol sa kabaliwan mo? Mika. So ako talaga yung target para manira. Ganon. Close tayo. Kilala kita. Kilala mo ako. I like the Philippines and I'm planning a trip there to visit. Welcome to the Philippines. Maybe you will go to Cebu because a lots you have lots things to do in Cebu because beautiful city, and then improvement city. And so that's why the Cebu is like suggestive from foreigner to travel, a foreigner are going to visit here in the Philippines. So maybe you will go there and you will enjoy the place going there, and then the nearest place in Cebu you will join there. So that's why a lot of foreigner are going there in Cebu. So that's why. That's it. So that's why a lot of foreigner they will find a Filipino living in Cebu, something like that. So because Cebu is a good place, good city, beautiful city. Shout out! Hi Giovanni! I'm in the Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much. Few minutes. Oh my god. I need to end the live because need to go to sleep because tomorrow having a work tomorrow again. Need to work. You are very nice. Thank you so much, El Aris Moy Sympathetic. It means you are very nice. Thank you so much, Lardency. If you want to visit here in the Philippines, suggest I give you the suggested a city you need to visit: Cebu, Davao, something like that. Something like that. Very beautiful city. And it's a shame I don't speak English. So it's fine. At least you understand what I say in English. I'm not fluent in English, but I'm trying to speak to understand people joining here because here is translated in English, but here in another live. So that's why the your language. So that's why it says keep hinaki no si hablar English. This is translated, so that's why I understand what you say. It said it's a shame I don't speak English, so that's why I understand. Cheryl, good night, young lady. Get some rest. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. So that's evening, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, my love, Mike. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for to those watching, liking me. Thank you, so hit the likes. Thanks a lot. See you later. See you next live. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. In Spain, people are not taught how to speak in English well. But it not only in Spain but another country doesn't speak English well, but they are so nice because they have an own language to speak. So there's the culture so different, but even not speaking English, as long as you are a good person, that's fine. You need to learn. uh, Everything is can learn, but if you are bad people, something like that, you need to learn. the good attitude, something like that. Good night, Cheryl. Good day, Sir Dwayne. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my love. Good night. I need to sleep. Before I sleep, I want to talk to you. Wait. Wait. Bye, everyone.